How many connections exist in the world? They, visible and invisible, include connections between humans, those between things and those between humans and things. Born for the Internet of Everything and the Information Age, we focus on building a smart IoT, empowering industries, and thus creating a better world. Jinan USR IoT is a networking-centered solution provider with hardware and software business. Be capable of serving the whole industry chain from modules to cloud. We offer customers IoT modules, communication terminals, smart gateways, cloud platforms, and IoT solutions. After 10 years of growth, we have completed RMB 200 million financing. Now, we employ over 600 staff now and are approved as a national specialized and new Little Giant enterprise.
万物互联时代，连接是刚需和基础。有人物联网，以连接为核心，尽全力开发靠谱的产品，为你提供靠谱的服务。我们的愿景是成为一家工业物联网生态型企业。
IoT is positioned as the catalyzer of industry development and as the benchmark of future technology development. We are committed to becoming a trustworthy smart IoT partner for customers. Research and development, production, and marketing are three growth drivers of USR IoT. We have deployed over 200 R&D personnel in several places to concentrate long on the R&D of IoT and accumulated rich experience in the field of communications. Many products including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, NB, LoRa, Cat1, 4G, and 5G are available at USR IoT.
产品及品牌，在产品的开发、中试、量产各个环节进行全方位的深度测试，为客户打造可信赖的产品。
USR IoT offers software, hardware integrated solutions. Our streamlined configurations can help customers quickly obtain a custom IoT system without any programming. Our products have been widely applied to intelligent factories, livestock farming, intelligent buildings, water meters and electricity meters, intelligent express cabinets, intelligent charging piles, smart parking, etc. Up to now, we have applied for over 100 core patents, software copyrights, and certificates. We invested tens of millions of yuan in building intelligent factories. Using advanced enterprise experience, we ensure stable and reliable quality and delivery through scientific lean management.
公司对供应链的要求是品质、成本、交期。品质是第一位的。我们对供应商的要求也是品质靠谱，是不可逾越的最低标准。
Vendor selection, automatic order placing, test of incoming materials, material storage, lean production, strict test, careful examination at each process. These ensure qualified, eco-friendly, and reliable products. With a global vision, we are rooted in China, have set up some branches nationwide and agencies and dealers worldwide. Our sound marketing service system has a professional marketing team with R&D experience. Pursuing the consultant-type customer service standard, we serve over 100,000 customers at home and abroad. Specialty first, service-oriented. Earnestly do right things well.
有人物联网自去年开始联手诚信行物业，对我们所有的设施设备加装有人物联网传感器，从而实现了诚信行物业管理项目的设施设备的智慧化管控。联网找有人，靠谱。
有人物联网的产品可靠，服务很到位。联网找有人，靠谱。
My name is Jinan, Director at Sourcewell Devices Private Limited. We are distributor of USR IoT Technology Limited since 2015. Our customers are very satisfied with quality of their products and after-sales support. USR IoT, reliable. Thank you.
有人才，有未来；有人才有未来。对人才的重视，贯穿着公司发展的始终。这也是我们公司名字的由来。
我来有人6年了，
我来有人7年了，
我来有人5年了，
来有人4年。
有人的5年就是我幸福的源泉，
有人的7年就是我的诗和远方，
有人的5年就是我笃定的信念，
有人这7年是我奋斗的青春，
有人让我爱情事业双丰收。
At USR, there is pure youth and great hope. Over 600 hopeful seeds are interconnected at hearts. Filled with lofty sentiments, we advance firmly with strong steps.
有人在北京，
有人在西安，
有人在沈阳，
有人在深圳，在武汉。
万物互联，
万物互联，
万物互联，有人相伴，
有人相伴，
有人相伴。
联网找有人，
靠谱。